Srinivasa Iyengar, born 6 May 1934, is an Indian-American civil engineer and a senior structural consultant who has been particularly instrumental in the development of innovative and efficient structural concepts and systems for high-rise, long-span and stadium structures. Iyengar has been involved in many notable projects such as the John Hancock Center, Sears Tower, the Anaheim Stadium expansion, the Soldier Field renovation, the McCormick Exposition Center in Chicago, the Convention Center in Hong Kong, Broadgate Phase 11, the Hotel Arts in Barcelona, the Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao, and Millennium Park in Chicago. He was the director of structural engineering at Skidmore, Owings, and Merrill from 1975 to 1992. Iyengar has received numerous awards including the Fazlur Khan Lifetime Achievement Medal. He has worked with notable architects such as Bruce Graham, Frank Gehry and Walter Netsch.Iyengar was born into a prominent civil engineering family in Mysore, India. He developed an enthusiasm for civil engineering early in life and was employed by Skidmore, Owings, and Merrill at a young age. He is now retired and enjoys hiking and tennis with his daughter. Broadgate Exchange House. The Broadgate Phase 11 Exchange House in London was Iyengar's most innovative structural engineering work. The building is directly over the top of Liverpool Street Station, a high-traffic railroad station. But the rail station could not be touched, so no supporting column could touch the ground. To solve this problem, 3 different structural systems were used to support the 10-story tall building over the 78-meter clear span. These were an X-brace truss system, a 10-story catenary suspension system, and a parabolic arch system. It is basically a building bridge hybrid. Gallery. See also. Fazlur Khan. Tung Yen Lin. Engineering legends. Skidmore, Owings and Merrill. References